Hi my friends, how are you today? This is the second series of the video. So on the first video I talked about this perfume and it's really good perfume, and I talked that I do recommend you to get it, and I got those two perfumes together, and my experience are very positive. I was wearing that one, Candy by Prada. I was wearing it and I felt super good. And now this perfume, I'm gonna open this perfume. So it's Prada Paradox. I have never seen this perfume actually, but once I saw it in the shop I realized that it's actually very popular perfume, like probably recently. Let me see when it was launched. I don't even know. It was launched in 2024, so actually it's already 2 years ago it was launched, and I didn't know this. So that's it, guys. It's my one of the, so I only have two perfumes from Prada, and these are the ones, guys, and let me open it for you. So the name is Virtual Flower. As I said it in my previous video, basically I went into the shop and I asked the lady to spray for me those two perfumes, like this one and that one. I liked this one after the spraying, but this I got sprayed the original version. It was Prada, not flower, but it was something else, maybe original, maybe eau de perfume or something, and I didn't like that much, and I thought let me just walk around, and I thought I probably will go with this version. But after I was walking around, I felt like people kind of are affected by these two perfumes in a positive way. Like they would look, who's walking there, with this lovely perfume. And I felt like even though I like that one more, but actually this one I like it too. It's not flower. I had first sprayed that original version, and I thought that I feel Prada perfume must be very quality perfume, and I thought I shouldn't miss out. And I thought, let me go back and I'm gonna buy this perfume, and I'm gonna buy Prada Paradox, that original, because I didn't know yet that exists this flower version. And when I came back, lady actually gave me to try this flower version, and I thought that I really like it because it's fresh and flowery, and I thought it's suitable for summer, because it's summer now. And I thought, let me buy it. I don't know if I made a mistake or not. I don't know which one is better, flower or original. I really don't know. Could you guys let me know if you know, and let's unbox this perfume. I know that it will be, the shape of this perfume will be in some sort of like a triangular form, that's what I know. So let me have a look. Prada Paradox perfume. So let's open it. It will be in this unusual shape, I guess. Look at this. I show you. So that's how it looks like. I bought the small bottles because I bought two, so obviously they are very expensive. So it's written Virtual Flower, Milano, Prada, Milano, Virtual Flower, and there's Prada there. Oh guys, this is so good. So this is so cute, isn't it? This particular perfume is so cute. I'm gonna spray it, but before that, so let's read a little bit. So basically there is top notes bergamot, and then there is jasmine, neroli, and there is musk and ambrette, whatever it is. I don't know what it is, ambrette, but something fresh, I guess. So there's jasmine basically, and they say it's supposed to be an impressive longevity. It's like a summer type of, spring summer perfume, floral type of thing. And so everything looks fresh, jasmine-y, florally, bergamot type of thing, and looks really type of feminine, in my opinion. And I read it before I bought it that these perfumes makes other people chase you, I don't know what they were talking about. Are they talking about original Prada Paradox, or what are they talking about? But I read it and I thought I want to try it, guys. So that's it. Could you let us know, if you could, if actually these perfumes are really as good as, as we read about them, from your experience? Because like I was really happy with this one. I felt really, I'm wearing like a quality perfume, I was wearing it for 2 days, and the longevity, it's not super long, but it's like medium longevity, but powerful longevity, like powerful medium longevity. Like when you have it on you, like you can really feel that, it's really nice, that's what it is. So all right, guys, now let's spray this perfume. Nothing. Great. So I'm gonna spray on this hand, this little triangle. It's not much of the perfume we have. It's really good, guys. It's really good. Like, it's really, when you smell it, like, it's really, it's not cheap. wow, like there is that florally jasmine there that is sweet and like not cheap, you know, it's like quality. You know, like for example, when you spray Zara perfume, you know, there's that jasmine perfume. I forgot which one is it. There's this perfume that is just, that one is cheap, but this one is like, wow, guys, wow. Now the question is how long it's gonna last. Is that really that long lasting perfume as it says, or what? But so far, like, my God, guys, I wish it's gonna stay like this. Let me spray it right there. Wow. Oof. Guys, really good, really good. Like, I don't know which perfume I'm gonna bring to my holidays now. I like both of them, but I wonder which one. This one might be the one, but just because it's so fresh. My God, this is really good. You know, really, really good. It's really good, guys. Really, we will see how long it's gonna last. That's another question. But so far, I'm pretty impressed. And the question stays: is this is virtual flower better than the original, or original is better than this one? That's the question. Could you write in the comments your experience and what other version there are as well? Like, I saw there's so many bottles of this Prada Paradox. I couldn't understand what's happening there. There could be maybe Eau de Parfum, there could be perhaps Eau de Toilette. That could be those versions, you know. Really good, really good, really, really good. I wish that type of sweet, fresh, florally type of scent, it won't fade away within a long time, and they won't be left only with the musky type of tone, you know. But let's see how it goes. My video is finished right now. I hope you liked it, and these are two expensive perfumes that I got, you know. And could you let us know what's your signature scent, and what, for example, what is the perfume that you are stuck on at the moment and that is your favorite? Recently, I have been wearing Eccentric Molecules Ginger because it's very warm these days, and that was what was my perfume. And also Eccentric Molecules 01, that was kind of my type of signature scents recently. And I wonder, those could be now those two that are coming into my days, you know, that I will be using them often. So that's it. I'm gonna wait for you with those two perfumes and have a lovely day. Bye bye. See you soon, guys.